Great day. I'm Billy Matan, 35 years old, took of Bachelor's of Science in Industrial Engineering at National College of Science and Technology, former intern of J. Ayala Construction Company. That time, I learned a lot and it was a fantastic experience. I learned so much about the construction process from ground up. I started by shadowing the project manager, learning how to communicate effectively with the workers, ensuring everyone understood their rules and responsibilities. I also assisted with material estimation and purchasing. I learned how to assess project needs, calculate quantities, and source materials efficiently. With your help, I'm eager to apply my skills and knowledge to a new challenge. Thanks for watching my video resume.